How to choose the length of the extended wheel bolt. For those car owners who have installed wheel spacers, the length of the factory wheel bolts are not long enough, so we need to use these extended wheel bolts. BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 extended wheel bolts are made by the forging process, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties. We can see the 12-petal-shaped design on the head of the extended wheel bolts. That's the proof of the super forging process. The thickness of the wheel spacers plus the factory wheel bolt is the length of the extended wheel bolt we need.